welcome back. And today I got Matchbox, a army version of CH-47 Chinook that I got and loving in there. Manufactured by Boeing, which is pretty awesome. So I'm going to unbox it right now. So here's a military version of Chinook. So it has the tan on it. It has a warning blades, as you can see. Here's the military serial number. As you can see, there's a military number. I hope you guys thank you guys for an awesome video, and I will see you next time. Over in the pod.